Right, item 5.4, adoption of meetings schedule 2018. Mrs. Tina Jakes.
So this is our annual table that we bring up to you outlining the proposed meeting dates for 2018, and basically kept it pretty similar to this year. Seems to be working reasonably well, and you'll note the addition of the Kinloch representative group from there.
Great. Any questions or queries? Not too many Tuesdays?
Oh, there's still a few there.
Just checking. Okay. All right, pretty standard procedure in that, so it's worked pretty well over the last year, so I have a mover, please, that be accepted. Thank you, Councillor Rampton, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried.